Okay, I found some of this interesting looking wood stain. This stuff is blue, and but you can get it in a variety of colors. So I'm just going to stain this blue. I'm not sure how this is going to come out because this stain has been sitting around my shop for just ever since Columbus came to the New World. So I'm just going to put quite a bit of it on there and let it soak in. I know it looks really blue right now, but in a minute or two when we wipe this off, it's just going to give a nice sort of a light shade of blue to the wood. And I'm going to let that set for a little while. And we're going to go on to another side of the box, so I'm going to do other insane things to this box in an effort to make it look groovy. The next step is going to be to take a grinder to it, and this is going to be real fun, but we'll have to move outside for that. So tune in again in a few minutes, and we're going to be making a lot of noise and dust. Wee.